Dahil Pilipino tayo, magpang explore tayo ng mga building. Ano to eh? Ako lang ba to? May kakaibang tunog. Ito ba yan? 8 9 10. Ay, ito yung halaman. Okay, kita ko yung halaman. Akin na yung susi. Bubuksan ng susi. Hello, baby. Oh, yung baby, oh. Kalbo. The baby in yellow. Kalbo man yung bata. Ba't kalbo yung bata? Wag nga lang. Pero, dire-diretso pa rin ang laro na natin na to. Kasi, matapang tayo. Night 1. Chad, is that what you think? Okay, hindi ako takot. Yung batang kalbo at ang kanyang babysitter na pogi. Kalbo? Ano? Ang gusto mong gawin ko? Tapon kita dyan sa bowl. Wait lang, may nakita ko dito eh. Ano to? Free soul. Pag ikaw bata ka, bigla sa pakin ko, ikaw. Get the bottle from the fridge. Pick up bottle. Give bottle to baby. Hey baby. Baby, I'll feed baby. Ikaw cute ah. Umutot! Ikaw! Lagay kita sa chopping table. Changing table pala. Changing mat. Yan. Get new nappy. Anong nappy? Diaper. May puso ulit. Yan. Oh, diaper. Nawala yung Ay, yun pala. Hoy, ba't yan naglipad? Alam mo, lalagyan. Hindi pala ganun eh. Take baby to bed. Let's go, baby. Poprotektahan mo ako araw-gabi. Ito ba yan, baby? Hindi ba kita ilagay sa washing machine? Oh, hoy, anong gawin yan? Okay, baby. Hoy, dito na lang ako, baby, matulog. Okay, dyan ka sa kot. Kulungan mo yan. Yan yung kulungan mo. Tipi-tipi. Anong gagawin ko? Find the story and sit down. The prince and the... Uy. The prince and the cat. Okay.
Across the shore, in distant lands,
Okay, may nagabasa pala.
overhead. The prince was fast asleep until a cat jumped on his bed.
I found a secret garden,
Said the cat with much delight. Excitedly, they ran outside, explorers in the night.
Okay.
They walked through the golden garden
Ang bagal.
gate.
They walk through the golden garden gate. Look at the pretty trees. They walk along the pretty pebble path. Look at the colorful flowers. They walk past a fabulous flowing fountain. Look at the dancing water. Look, look, look. But the prince didn't like the garden and started kicking down trees. He dug up flowers and grabbed the hedges and pulled up all the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat watched on in fear. What a mistake I made! The cat cried out. I should never have brought him here. Okay, natapos na yung The Prince and the Cat. Ang tanong, nawala ba yung bata? Kalbo! Tulog! Tulog! Anong gawin ko? Watch TV on the sofa. Baka kita ko yung bata galakad eh. Watch TV on the sofa. Okay, anong channel natin? Pwede na yan? Angas.
A few moments later.
Nagaiyak yung bata. Nasaan yung bata? Settle, baby. Baby, where are you? Pakinig ko, nandito ka. Ha? Baby, nandito ka ba? No. What the? Ay, ano to? May taguan. Matchmaking key. Baby. Oh. Saan yung bata? Anong ginawa niyo sa bata ko? Free soul. Okay, kita ko lang yung pusa. Nasaan yung bata? Ha? Hoy, dinaanan lang kita. Dinaanan ba kita? Hindi ko alam. Ikaw, kalbo. Nickname ko sa'yo. Kalbo. Kalbo titot. Tulog ka na. Put the correct flash in the cut. Ano ba yung binasa natin kanina? Pusa yan, oh. Sige. Paano kung nagkamali ako? Ay. Pusa nga, pusa nga. Ganyan ka na. Masaya. Leave and close door. Yan. Chill out. Uy. Chill out. Watch TV on the sofa. Sige, payag ako dyan. Kung mag-chill lang naman eh. Yan. Toasty. 4,000. Matulog ka na. Ako'y nantok sa'yo eh. Okay, ano to? Ay, kala ko nasa gitna na tayo ng horror. Okay, night 2. Sa next video na to.